All snakes are strictly carnivorous, preying on small animals including lizards, frogs, other snakes, small mammals, birds, eggs, fish, snails, worms, and insects. U281 U200 snakes cannot bite or tear their food to pieces, so must swallow their prey whole. The eating habits of a snake are largely influenced by body size. Smaller snakes eat smaller prey. Juvenile pythons might start out feeding on lizards or mice and graduate to small deer or antelope. As an adult, for example, the snake's jaw is a complex structure. Contrary to the popular belief that snakes can dislocate their jaws, they have an extremely flexible lower jaw, the two halves of which are not rigidly attached, and numerous other joints in the skull, which allow the snake to open its mouth wide enough to swallow prey whole, even if it is larger in diameter than the snake itself. For example, the African egg-eating snake has flexible jaws adapted for eating eggs much larger than the diameter of its head. U281 U200. This snake has no teeth, but does have bony protrusions on the inside edge of its spine, which it uses to break the shell when eating eggs. U281 U200. The majority of snakes eat a variety of prey animals, but there is some specialization in certain species. King cobras and the Australian bandy consume other snakes. Species of the family Peridae have more teeth on the right side of their mouths than on the left, as they mostly prey on snails and the shells usually spiral clockwise. U200 184 U200 Assam snakes have a venomous bite, which they use to kill their prey before eating it. Other snakes kill their prey by constriction, while some swallow their prey when it is still alive. U281 U200. After eating, snakes become dormant to allow the process of digestion to take place. This is an intense activity, especially after consumption of large prey. In species that feed only sporadically, the entire intestine enters a reduced state between meals to conserve energy. The digestive system is then upregulated to full capacity within 48 hours of prey consumption. Being ectothermic, cold-blooded, the surrounding temperature plays an important role in the digestion process. The ideal temperature for snakes to digest food is 30 degrees Celsius, 86 degrees Fahrenheit. There is a huge amount of metabolic energy involved in a snake's digestion. For example, the surface body temperature of the South American rattlesnake, Crotalus dorissus, increases by as much as 1.2 degrees Celsius, 2.2 degrees Fahrenheit, during the digestive process. If a snake is disturbed after having eaten recently, it will often regurgitate its prey to be able to escape the perceived threat. When undisturbed, the digestive process is highly efficient. The snake's digestive enzymes dissolve and absorb everything but the prey's hair, or feathers, and claws, which are excreted along with waste.